guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about the best anti-aging face creams to use on your skin. In my other video I talked about the best anti-aging body lotions to use on your body, and a lot of you loved that video. So that is why I said, you know what, I'm going to do another video to tell you the best face creams to use on your skin. Now, when you're getting an anti-aging body lotion, you also need an anti-aging face cream as well to go alongside with it. Now, anti-aging face creams are very good. This is because the skin on your face tends to age faster than the skin on your body, and this is because your face tends to be more exposed to the sun, unlike the other parts of your body. Now, if you want to get any product that is anti-aging, make sure that that product contains retinol in it. Now, this is because retinol contains anti-aging properties in it. Retinol is under the family of tretinoin, which is also known as vitamin A, and vitamin A contains anti-aging properties in it, which is one of the best-selling ingredients in the market today. Okay, so if you want to clear wrinkles, you want to clear fine lines, you want to clear aging spots, you just want to look younger and have an overall younger looking skin, then these face creams I'm about to mention in this video, you have to get one of them, if not two as well. Now, the first anti-aging face cream on our list today is the Ole Regenist 24 night cream. You guys, this cream is very nice. This face cream contains retinol in it. It's going to help you to get rid of that fine lines, those wrinkles that you have on your face, and this face cream is very ideal for people who has matured skin. So if you know that you have a mom, aunt, dad, brother, whoever that is matured in age and has a matured skin, then you'd want to get this face cream for them. Okay, now the second anti-aging face cream on our list today is the Palmer's Skin Success Fade Cream. You guys, this face cream is very nice, even though it's not as powerful as the Ole Regenerist 24 night cream, but this is very nice, and this is ideal for people who have sensitive skin and also all other skin types as well. Okay, so this face cream is good for people who are in their 20s and their 30s. This face cream contains retinol in it, it contains vitamin E, it contains vitamin C, and also niacinamide as well. This face cream is going to target your fine lines, your wrinkles. It's also going to help to close those enlarged pores that you have. That's what niacinamide helps to do, and also to fade away any dark spots that you're also experiencing on your face. Okay, now the third face cream in this video is the Neutrogena Rapidly Wrinkle Repair. This face cream is very nice. You guys, any product from Neutrogena, their products are very nice. I'm not even playing. This face cream will help you when it comes to anti-aging benefits. Now, this face cream contains retinol as well as hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid just helps to make your skin feel hydrated and plump. If you're experiencing wrinkles, if you're experiencing dullness, if you're experiencing fine lines, and you don't like how your face looks like, you would want to get this Neutrogena face cream. Now, this face cream promises you that you're going to see visible results within 1 week of usage, but I would advise that you give this product time to work, because so many people do not have the same skin type. Okay, seeing visible results within 1 week might not be your own result, so you need consistency. You also need patience for this face cream to work. Okay, use this product only at night because it doesn't go so well with the sun, so that you don't experience sunburns and hyperpigmentation on your face. So use only at night, and in the morning you just go out with your moisturizer on your face. Now, the fifth face cream is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Oh my god, guys, this face cream doesn't constitute of retinol in it, but hold on, it has other ingredients in it that is going to help you to slow down the aging process. It contains hyaluronic acid as well as ceramide in it, and you all know that ceramide helps to repair your skin barrier, while hyaluronic acid helps to make your skin feel hydrated and plump. This cream contains peptides in it, and this peptides is what is going to help you in these anti-aging properties that you are looking for, okay? And it's suitable for people who are still in their 20s and 30s. This is not really ideal for mature skin. If you have not started noticing wrinkles, fine lines, aging spots on your skin, you'd want to start using this CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream, okay? Because it is very, very nice for people who are still in their early 20s and 30s. Now, these are the anti-aging face creams that I have for you today, okay? These face creams I mentioned in this video are very, very nice. Trust me, you will love them. Now, the Olay and the Neutrogena face creams I mentioned in this video are mainly for people who has matured skin, okay? Mainly for people who are in their late 40s, 50s, 60s, and above. So if you want to get this, you have to get it for your mom, your dad, people who are matured in age. But the Palmer's and the CeraVe face cream I mentioned in this video are ideal for people who are still in their early 20s, 30s, and has not started noticing any aging on their skin yet. Then you would want to use these face creams, okay? Now, if you're using these face creams, remember I said you do not apply anti-aging face creams in the morning. It is only applied at night. So if you're using these face creams in the night, you would want to get a moisturizer and sunscreen for your daytime routine, okay? Do not apply these face creams in the morning time. In the morning time, just go in with your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Make sure you always use a sunscreen, because these face creams I mentioned in this video contains actives such as the retinol, the peptides, and the rest of them all, which do not collide well with sun, and your skin needs to be protected. So just apply your moisturizer and your sunscreen in the morning time. At night, you can then use your face creams, okay? If this video was quite helpful to you, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section if it was helpful to you. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye and God bless. Mwah.